shopping haul, the ultimate tips and tricks and places to go to save you money.
This is my
Which
favorite.
means we are outside of Costco.
Yeah, this is the mecca of my food prep, of like my food dreams and my food shopping excursions.
All food dreams begin and end here.
Frankly, I'm just waiting to be sponsored by them because all I do is talk about them.
This is true.
I love Costco.
So we're going to take you inside of Costco. We're going to share with you our favorite things that we grab on every single shopping trip.
There's so many good ones. There's so many good ones for food prep, guys, that it's not just about the variety and it's not just about like the quality, it's about the price. Because you're food prepping and you're eating healthy, so you're buying a lot of usually the same thing, playing it on repeat. And at Costco, they're kind of all about a lot of the same thing.
Yep. Let's just talk about the meat section alone.
Okay.
Flank steaks,
Oh, yeah.
bison,
Two-pack.
ground turkey meat,
Organic and regular.
turkey bacon.
Oh yes, no sulfites added.
Gluten-free chicken nuggets. Hello,
For
children.
the kids, if you have an air fryer and you have kids,
Gluten-free
You're there.
pizzas.
gluten-free pizzas, get those for the hubs. I've got the
Children
husband
and children.
okay, well I've got the husband and the children all taken care of. In the freezer section, I stick those in the freezer, and when I don't feel like feeding them my food, they get frozen pizza and gluten-free chicken nuggets.
They also have an incredible fish section here, the frozen fish section, individually wrapped, wild caught.
Right, or you buy it whole and you chop it up yourself, wrap it and freeze it and just pull it out. Oh my gosh, already prepped.
Pico, dehydrated mushrooms.
Oh my gosh.
Their produce section. They even
Oatmeal?
have pastured eggs.
Oh, they
here.
do. Yeah, they do. And they have big, huge things of oatmeal, and they have big, huge boxes of almond milk that doesn't have to be refrigerated, so you stick that in your pantry.
Speaking of eggs, one of our favorites, definitely had to be convinced by your husband, is
the hard-boiled eggs.
The hard-boiled
that you
eggs.
get at Costco, yeah. I called him lazy. And,
now we call him brilliant.
Now we call him brilliant. If you think that it's just as easy to hard-boil your own eggs, you are wrong.
You are wrong.
When you buy them at Costco, they're 2 in a package, and you stick those in your fridge. You're running out the door. You need
Can't
a quick
argue with the
protein.
price on that either. Okay, are we ready?
Here we go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Organic celery juice in the morning will change your life. So I love that you can grab it here. It's already washed. It's already cut. It is ready for your juicers. Talk about saving you time. A lot of people complain that they don't juice because it takes a lot of time. You have no excuses. This is the gem.
So this is where I get my fish. I buy a whole piece of it, and then when I get home, I weigh it, I cut it, I weigh it, I wrap it up, and I put it in the freezer, and every night I just pull it from there and I cook it in my air fryer or however easy. Turkey meat, ground turkey, major staple in food prep, organic or regular. Good deal here, and no organic. You know how many times I've brought this with me on a road trip and got in trouble for eating it in the car? But it's a lifesaver. Oh, stick them in your fridge, grab them on the go. This will save you from buying these at the grocery store every week. So much value.
Life is hard sometimes, and alcohol is fun.